Okay, doing the wrong thing the right way, part 2. First one was about changing electrical outlet live, not having any load so you don't spark anything. There's different ways to test that. If you guys want to enjoy that, I'll put a link in the description below for part 1. Part 2 is going to be about changing a gas valve on the fly. Not shutting off the gas because you might be connected to multiple units on 1 meter and you don't want to try to relight all these hot water tanks, pilots, whatever it is. And it's easier to do it on the fly. This is not an illustration on how to do it. This is only an illustration that it can actually be done. Only qualified personnel should even be attempting anything like this. I've been doing it for years. Largest line I would work on live would be 3/4 inch, 1/2 inch, and 3/4 inch. This is a 1/2 inch line, so has less pressure, less volume coming out. And we had our material prepped before we started. We knew exactly what we needed, whether we were changing the threaded pipe and the valve, or just the valve itself, depending upon what came out when we tried to unscrew it. And basically, from the fitting came out the threaded valve, pipe, and the valve itself. And we were ready. We were piped up, everything tightened up, so we knew what we had to do. We loosened up a little bit, saw what came loose, prepped our material. You're gonna see, we pull it out, put it back in 5 seconds, another 10 seconds, tightening, whatever it is. So we actually don't let very much gas in the room. There are other precautions to take care of. I'm not gonna go into them too much because I don't want anybody to really attempt this. This is for people in the know. Yes, it can be done. I'm trying to make the video not too long. I hope you guys enjoy. Any questions, just ask. But this is really for qualified personnel, okay? Doing the wrong thing the right way, part 2. Okay, we got our material together. We're getting ready to remove the valve, and we can see that the threaded pipe and the valve itself is coming loose together. Now he's going to take off the gas line. It was crimping. Again, this is not illustration on how to do this. This is basically that it can be done. This is 1/2 inch pipe, minimum volume. We have to chew up the wall there too to get that valve to turn, and we're gonna have to have the same issue with the new one. We'll go install it. Excuse me. You're gonna see I speed up some of the tracks because I didn't want to make the video too long. Very happy to make it under 5 minutes. Again, this is just basically, it can be done. It's not an illustration of how to do this. Been doing this for a very long time, and you really want to use a lot of caution here. Make sure you got excellent ventilation. Nobody's using any switches, stuff like that. Having 2 men, and you can use a wet rag, not soap but damp enough that you can actually stop the flow if need be. If you have an issue, you gotta go get parts. I used to do this by myself all the time, but having 2 men, you gotta go get a part. Somebody's gotta help you out. Go outside, so you turn off the gas. That would be the way to go. I try to do this by yourself. I try to be a hero. He's gonna pick up his new piece in his hand while he undoes that.
Alright, here we go.
Just took it off. Took about 2.5 seconds to get it on. Taking him to thread it.
Don't worry about the home right now, we don't have time for that.
About 10 seconds where he's in the safe zone.
More important.
Nice.
You're in the safe zone.
And of course, when you're doing something,
You're in the safe zone.
I'm gonna bring this back around.
Yep.
Facing.
super important, your phone's gonna ring.
That's good right there.
I'll leave it like that.
Yeah, that's fine right there.
My boss can get Irene about, how you not answering your phone? Because we really just don't have enough staff. what I hear from everybody is everywhere like this. So, but it's been that way for 3.5 years for me, and it's been really rough. And we've been doing okay. We've been keeping our head above water, but that's all we've been doing, keeping our head above water. We have not been proactive enough that we should be, that I would like, or everyone else would come. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next one.